Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in this video, I will be showing you guys the best quiet luxury designer handbags. Now, I assume that if you clicked on this video, you already know about the quiet luxury trend. And I'm personally here for it. I love a classic, minimal, and timeless handbag. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. I'm so happy that you're here. If you love anything fashion and luxury, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you do so, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Now, as always, let's get comfortable, grab yourself a snack, a drink, and let's jump right into the video. Now, the first quiet luxury handbag on this list is the Celine 16. Now, this beautiful bag is so classic. It's very minimal and it is just timeless. Now, what I really love about this bag is that you can wear it in many different ways. So it's very versatile. You can obviously wear it as a top handle, the crook of your arm, but you can also wear it on your shoulders, and it has a strap so that you can wear it crossbody as well. Now, Celine has honestly been my favorite at the moment. I have the Triomphe bag, which I made an entire video about, and I will link it if you guys haven't checked it out. But Celine quality is just amazing, and I think that is something that some people forget about when they think about quiet luxury. It is just luxury without a logo, but I think the whole point of quiet luxury as well is the quality. Now, another thing that I really love about the Celine 16 as well is that it's a very low-key bag. I feel like this bag isn't as popular as some of the other bags on the market, and I really love that because this is not just a bag that you see everyone wearing. It is a little bit more low-key. I know that a few celebrities love this bag. I think Lisa from Blackpink, Lady Gaga, Angelina Jolie really loves this bag as well. Now, lastly, I feel like the Celine 16 is also a perfect alternative if you are looking for an Hermes bag, an Hermes Kelly. I think this bag is beautiful by itself, but I do think this is also a great alternative if you are looking for an Hermes Kelly. The next bag on this list is the Gucci 1955 Horsebit bag. Now, you might be thinking, Gucci, it's not really quiet luxury, and I do agree because Gucci is very well known for their logos and their canvas prints, but the Gucci Horsebit is definitely quiet luxury because you won't even know that this is a Gucci handbag. First of all, I love the silhouette of this bag, and this isn't as versatile as the Celine 16, but you can definitely wear it as a shoulder bag and a crossbody bag because the strap does extend. Now, for luxury lovers, the Horsebit hardware is iconic, but I think a lot of people might not know that this is a Gucci bag. It is very understated. It still looks super classic and elegant, and I personally am in love with the white color. This is definitely on my wish list as well. Now, I'm still on the hunt for a perfect white or cream bag, and I think the Horsebit bag is just so beautiful. I love the tone of white. It's more of a creamy white, and with the gold hardware, chef's kiss, it is so beautiful. It also comes in different colors and different leathers. Now, the Horsebit bag is quite pricey for a Gucci bag, but this is a classic and it screams quiet luxury. Moving on to the next best quiet luxury handbag, and this is from the brand Loewe, and it is the Puzzle bag. Now, the Puzzle bag is iconic. It is one of the best bags from Loewe, and this is on my wish list as well. My friend Regina actually has this one. Shout out if you're watching, girl. But I love the Loewe Puzzle bag, and I definitely think it fits with the quiet luxury trend. Now, there is a logo on the bag. It is kind of stamped in the front of the flap, but it's still very subtle and it doesn't scream Loewe. It's kind of a if you know, you know logo, and I love how unique this bag is. It just looks like a cute little cube with a top handle. It does come with a strap, so it is super versatile. You can wear this in every way, like top handle, shoulder bag, crossbody, and I know that it fits a lot. So this is actually a great bag if you are looking for your first designer bag. I have never shopped from Loewe before, but I really want to. This bag is definitely on my wish list. I'm just still deciding what color. I think I really love the sand color, but it is not always in the collection. I think black and tan are more of their classic colors. I feel like there's an artistic look to this bag. It's very edgy and stylish, but at the same time, I do feel like this is a classic bag, and this is a bag that won't go out of style, and I definitely think that this deserves a spot on the quiet luxury list. Now the next bag on this list is one of my favorites, and I think #1 on my wish list. It has been on my wish list for such a long time, but it is the Bottega Jodie bag. And the more popular Jodie bag is the small one. The smallest one is, I think, called the mini Jodie, but I love the small Jodie. It is the bigger one, and I just love how people wear it on Pinterest. On the shoulder, it just looks very relaxed. Now, I have seen this bag and tried it on in the boutique, and I just fell in love with the quality. It is a lambskin leather. It is super buttery and smooth, and they actually have a lifetime warranty on the leather. So if anything happens to the leather, you can always bring it in. They'll fix it for you. And my goodness, I feel like this is the perfect quiet luxury bag, and I'm just so obsessed with this bag. I want it so bad. I just think one of the reasons why I haven't pulled the trigger is that resale value is not that great. Although I don't really resell my bags though, I do tend to keep it in my collection. But sometimes it's just nice to know that if you buy a bag, you know that it will keep its value. But maybe I should get this bag pre-loved. Although I don't know, I feel like I prefer shopping at the boutique because I like the entire experience. I'm just so torn. But anyways, this bag is amazing. It is not super versatile, to be really honest, because it is just a shoulder bag. And another way that you could wear it is obviously top handle and in the crook of your arm, but you cannot wear this crossbody. Now, I love the design of this bag. It is so effortless looking. It just screams luxury to me with the woven design and the knot. And I think this is gonna be a perfect everyday bag for just more casual outfits, but when you still wanna look chic and stylish, oh my goodness, I am just obsessed with this bag. Now, last but not least, we have a bag on this list from one of my favorite brands, and it is the YSL Manhattan bag. Now, this is a beautiful, beautiful bag. It is very reminiscent of the Hermes Kelly on the Go. I think that's how they call it, Kelly on the Go. But this bag is beautiful on its own. It is very, very high quality. I have seen it in store. I've tried it on. It is beautiful, beautiful calfskin leather and with gold hardware. And it is a beautiful, quiet luxury bag. If you want something that's super classy, I think a shoulder bag is always just very like classy but elegant. Like I said, I love YSL bags, but I feel like sometimes I just don't want a bag with a logo on it. And although I love the YSL logo, I think it is super iconic and it will always remain a classic. But I love this bag because it's very understated and it is still just screaming luxury because of the quality and how it's crafted, and that's why I really love this bag. Now, it is also not versatile like the Bottega bag. It is just a shoulder bag. I do know that there's a mini version of this bag that is a crossbody bag. It has a crossbody strap, and then you can also detach it and just wear it as a clutch. But I personally really love the bigger version, and although it's just a shoulder bag, but I feel like this is very beautiful. It is very elegant, and I don't really have anything bad to say about this as well. I do think that if I were to be purchasing another YSL bag, I would probably go for something like this. Although I do love the Cassandra top handle, but then at the same time, I would rather go for the Celine 16 if I want a top handle bag. But for a shoulder bag and kind of an Hermes Kelly on the go vibe, I would definitely highly recommend the Manhattan bag by YSL. Now, let me know in the comments which of the bags is your favorite, or if you have any recommendations for quiet luxury designer bags. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you stayed all the way to the end, you're a real one. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe if you haven't, and I would love to see you in my next videos. Bye!